Today we have the 2022 Fiat 500e. This vehicle has done just over 12,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our smartphone integration with Apple and Android CarPlay. We have our vehicle controls and settings, navigation, AC, home and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our sunroof and see that all of our seats are cream leather.